Do you know what some of the top 5 hidden costs of aging are? I'm going to go over with you with some of the items that projections miss. And this is what happens when you've been in the industry for 20 years and helped tens of thousands of people. This is Gabriel Shahin, certified financial planner and president of Falcon Wealth Planning. The first thing that is often missed in these projections are healthcare costs. Now, it's not just before you're 65, you're going to have to pay probably $1,000+ a month for your healthcare. And once you have Medicare at 65 and up, there are 2 sides to that. Yes, we get the first part. That part's easy. That yes, you'll probably need more healthcare, more prescription meds, or whatever the case is. But the second part is there are income limitations of your current Medicare premium. The more you make, the more you have to pay. It might not be $170 a month. It might be $470 a month per person if you're married. Number 2, and that is taxes. Some of the biggest items here are taxes. You don't know it. It's one of your biggest expenses that you may have. And one of the biggest things that sneak up on people is when they have all that money in a tax-deferred account, and all of a sudden, they're of age of required minimum distributions. That could be 73, 75 years old, depending on how old you are. Don't let that catch up to you. Number 3, deferred maintenance, whether it's on your house or your car. These are items that are often overlooked. We get it, right? You might need a new roof. It could be a leaky sink. It could be a new water heater. It could be new tires. Whatever the case is, do not forget that your remodel that you do now, in 10 to 20 years from now, you may need another remodel, let alone maintenance in between. Number 4, travel and entertainment. I get it. You like to have fun. You're currently traveling. But guess what? When you're retired, you have 6 Saturdays and a Sunday. Every day is a Saturday. You're going to want to go out all the time. It gets pricey. If I was you, I would double the amount that you have allocated for travel and entertainment. Last thing, number 5, my favorite, the one everybody likes to hate, and that is inflation. We've really felt that recently, haven't we? It's the silent tax, as Warren Buffett calls it. It could be shrinkflation, stagflation, whatever we want to call it. It could be that soap bar that used to be this big, and now it's a lot smaller, but they're charging you the same price. The lights you used to buy for 10 feet that are now 8 feet. These are items that randomly come up and cost extra. Your cost of living increases. These top 5 items are the hidden costs of